The teachers at Aakash were very good and supportive, and the center was nearby my house, hence I joined Aakash. I've always had passion for engineering and computers, and hence I chose engineering as my career. I focused on NCRTs for JEE Mains and solved archive tests, mock tests, and the regular doubt-solving sessions at Aakash also helped me. The iTutors recorded lectures also helped me revise concepts. The syllabus for JEE Mains and Boards being the same, while preparing for JEE Mains, we also get prepared for Boards. Just the patterns are different. And the Aakash targets and modules also helped me getting accustomed to the board questions and answers. And in the last month, we were given free time to focus on our boards and give our best in our board examinations. Everyone faces challenges during the JEE preparation. I too faced some. Whenever I felt low, my parents always supported and encouraged me. Whenever I felt I had some difficulty in understanding concept, the teacher helped me out. Whenever I felt I scored low in tests, I used to talk to my teachers and they counseled me. The main focus in the last month is on the heavy weightage topics. So you need to learn them crystal clear. And you don't need to learn any new concepts. Jitna padha hai, just re-revise and work on it till you get perfect. And you don't have to leave any doubts unclear. Like jitna bhi hai, sab kuch clear kar do till the end. And the most important thing, solving mock test, which is only then when you will get the real feel of exam. Unless you give mock test. ऐसा नहीं होने वाला कि you will just practice every day and in the exam सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. No, it doesn't work like that. So practicing a lot of mock tests in the last month especially is a very important point, and I make sure you do that too. My parents had a very crucial role in my preparation throughout the 2 years. Not only just 2 years, but before that too. Especially the lockdown part, I was quite demotivated at the start for transitioning from the offline to the online period. So they helped me a lot. It was all of a sudden. So yeah, थोड़ी दिक्कत हो रही थी in the beginning, but they helped me and they consoled me and they always encouraged me कि हाँ, the life would like this is the new normal, यही होना है. You have to accept it and go on and never get demotivated. Just आगे बढ़ते जा, आगे बढ़ते जा. The fortnightly test and unit test helped us know our mistakes and strengthen the concepts regularly. The All India Aakash test series helped us know my potential at the national level. It also gave me an exam-like experience. The iTutor platform also helped me get accustomed to the real exam-like scenario, which actually helped me a lot in my final exams. For JEE Mains and Advanced, which are conducted completely online. Of course, the online mode has its own pros and cons. Distractions बहुत सारी होती है, especially Instagram, Facebook and all. But ये सब बंद था. I just used WhatsApp for regular doubt solving sessions. That's it. And this is an important part. Whenever you feel distracted, remind yourself of the goal you set. I often repeat to myself, when you were a kid, you set a goal. Don't disappoint yourself. I used to have my online classes from around 8 to 12, and then I would self-study. I would have a rough outline of what should I do, what should I complete by the end of the day, and I used to work accordingly. The system at Aakash BYJU'S also helped me maintain my discipline, which is a very crucial part for the preparation for JEE Mains and Advanced. For example, chemistry, आप चलते फिरते भी एक the facts you can always learn on the go. So yeah, keep it important. Time management is very important, and just work accordingly. My journey with Aakash BYJU'S had been very great. The regular test series, test discussions helped me a lot. The doubt clearance sessions also helped me work on my mistakes, and I could improve accordingly. Whenever I missed my classes, I could rewatch the lectures at iTutor. Teachers always helped me clear my doubts. Now I feel more confident than ever to continue with my life and do achieve great sum. My simple advice to everyone is be consistent, constant hard work करना है, get your doubts solved regularly, don't let them pile up, backlog नहीं आने देना है, and whenever you if you feel एक phase आता है when you get demotivated, it's just a phase. Our life works like a sine wave. Whenever you are at -pi/2, believe me, you will also get to pi/2 at some point.